So today we are going to see about the topic our neighborhood. The people who are living around us are called neighbors, and the area where different types of people live together is called a neighborhood. So our topic is neighborhood. Our neighborhood. We live with our family in a house. Okay, we all live with our family in a house. And there are many families near our house. So all these families together, combinedly, they are called as neighbors. And the place is called neighborhood. All the families living closer in one area is called a neighborhood. So there are so many places in the neighborhood like schools, post office, bus stops, grocery shops, market, park, police station, fire station. Yes, like this, so many places are there in a neighborhood. Now, how can be you a being good neighbor? How can you be a good neighbor? Good neighbor helps each other in times of need. So we are all living in a society with our neighbors. So what we have to do? We have to help each other. We have to help each other in times of needs. Whenever there is a need to our neighbors, you have to help them. Then all the neighbors, they celebrate festivals also together. For example, we can give a good example of Vinayaka Chauthi. When this Vinayak Chauthi comes, no, all the people in one area, they will set up that Vinayaka statue and they will celebrate for 9 days. Not only that, Holi, Rangoli competitions, different types of festivals. So people celebrate together. For example, if you are living in an apartment, all the people who are living in the apartment, they celebrate together all the festivals. They do all different types of pujas, festivals, occasions, picnics, everything. So people live together and they celebrate together. They help each other in time of need and they even celebrate festivals together. Not only this, even they go for a picnic and watch movies also. Sometimes people combinedly they go for a picnic, outdoor picnic, and even they watch movies also. And children who are staying in the same neighborhood will play together, study together, and enjoy together. So, when you are living in a neighborhood, you have to learn one thing, ma. You should be very polite to others. You have to live very peacefully without any disturbance to the neighborhood. Some people know they will be continuously disturbing others. That is very bad. So you have to live in such a condition that you should not disturb anybody. You should live very peacefully without disturbing not only you, the others also. You have to live peacefully without disturbing and help each other in time of needs, and you go for a picnic, celebrate different festivals, everything combinedly you do. So these all things come under when you are surviving in a neighborhood. Now, what are the different places you can see in the neighborhood? So there are so many places in the neighborhood like schools, parks, post office, police station, fire station, hospital, clinic. Okay, then market, grocery shops, like this. So many places are there in a neighborhood. So people living in a neighborhood need some services in their everyday life. We also need some service. For example, you take a teacher gives service, like she will explain everything. She will give service to the society with teaching. A doctor gives service, like he will treat the people who are in need, those who got fever, those who are not well, those who are in unhealthy, he will give his services. A lawyer gives services, like he will talk on behalf of us when we go to the court, like that. Like the different people will be, a policeman will give a service, he will protect our society, yes, from the robbers and thieves. A postman, he will deliver letters for us. And like then a bank, people who are doing the job in the bank, they give service for us, like when we want to transfer money or when we want to take money or any other things, they help us. And people who are giving service in the market, we go and buy different groceries and everything in the market. Like this, different people give different services in their life. You can't say that no, I am not taking any help from anybody. No, it is highly impossible in this society. We all take help of some or the other in the society. From the beginning, we take help of others. We educate, we live, we grow, we take service. We also give service to others. For example, if your parents are doctors, if your parents are teachers, if your parents are lawyers, officers, they also give services to others. Not only this, soldiers, army people, whoever it may be, they are all giving service to us. So, people living in a neighborhood need some services in their everyday life. Now, coming to one by one, school. So, school is a place, almost all neighborhoods will have a school. There is a school in almost all the neighborhood. So, school is a place where you go to read, write, play, and learn many things. Even you learn many good habits and manners in the school, and they get to make a lot of friends also. You go to school, you get a lot of friends in school. So, school is a place where you go, read, write, play, and learn many things. You also learn good habits and good manners in the school. And even you get your best friends, and even some children will have best teachers also, because some of the children like some of the teachers because of their subject or because of their explanation or whatever it may be. Some children like some teachers, and if we ask also, they will tell who is your favorite teacher. They give different answers. So it is a place of learning. There are many teachers in the school to guide the students and to take care of them. So, in school, there are different types of children and different types of teachers also. Many types of teachers will be, because some teachers, they will teach only for pre-primary, like nursery, LKG and UKG. And some teachers, they will teach only for primary from 1 to 4, first, second, third and fourth. And some teachers will teach only middle class, like 5, 6 and 7. And some of the teachers, they will teach only for higher classes, 8th, ninth, or 10th. So like this. So different teachers teach different children in the school, and all the teachers are here to guide the student and take care of the students. Next, market. A market is a place where you go and buy many things. So many shops together make a market. Most of the neighborhood will have a small market. A market consists of different shops. It may have a grocery shop, it may have a cool drink shop, it may have a cloth shop, it may have fruits, it may have vegetables, it may have different articles which we use, it may have clothes, it may have chappal or whatever it may be. A place where many shops are present is called a market. Especially we people, we go for vegetable market and fruit market. So to buy vegetables, we go to vegetable market, and to buy fruits, we go to fruit markets, and for different purposes, we go to different shopping malls. Yes, supermarkets, like this. So there are many shops together in a place, and it is called as a market. Some markets are very big too, like supermarkets, shopping malls. They are very big, and people, they get their daily needs. So what are our daily needs? Yes, bread, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, groceries. Groceries means everything will come. Rice, wheat, dal, different types of items which we use daily. These all comes under groceries only. So people means we people, we get our daily needs just such as bread, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, fruits, groceries from here. The shopkeepers sell different things for people. We all get different things from these big markets. The shopkeepers, what they do? They keep everything for us in ready. We go and purchase and we bring all these things to our, means whatever we need, we bring to our house and it is for our daily use. Next coming to hospital. So hospital or a clinic is a place where you go when you fall sick or when you are injured or when you have any health problem. And every neighborhood will have a hospital or clinic compulsory. Is there any place where those who don't have any hospital? Even in villages also nowadays, a primary health checkup hospital is there. Okay, so a hospital or a clinic is there everywhere in a neighborhood, and people go to this hospital when they fall sick or when they get injured or if they have any health issues. So, due to these reasons, people go to the hospital. And in the hospital, doctors and nurses are present. What they do? They take care of the patients. Patient means people who go with a problem, no? So, they are called patients. So, the doctors will examine the patients and he will give the medicine. And the nurse will give support to the doctor, and even the nurse take care of the patient also. The doctors examine the patient and provide proper treatment. Hospitals, nurses also are there and they assist the doctors. Even hospitals also provide ambulance service to the patients, those who are in emergency. Suppose if there is any accident or if there is any problem anywhere, anywhere, so they call the ambulance and they take this ambulance and they rush to the hospital. So hospitals also provide ambulance services to different types of people when there is an emergency case.